당하게 안날래 같이 존이면 서진 라인지 존도 몰라 라인지 다비 논도메 differentiation 논도도 몰라 오케이 다비님의 클래스 금지기 몰라 클래스 11 기도 몰라 클래스 11 기 인스 슈도 클래스 11 기 인스 주도 클래스 11 기 인스 주도 또 몰라 클래스 11 기 오케이 하게 안날래 라인지 드롭에게 Okay, yeah. Okay, I need to draw B. I need the y-axis. Then I need the x-axis. Mashla, x-axis. This is my origin. 0. Then I need graph the y equal to x square ki graph hi. So differentiation na juni me down para. Differentiation na juni ngagi. The differentiation semidi gachmo se labni badi mo la different ani ki tumra chinalu shuja ge gala the differentiation semidi gachmo se wachin differentiation semidi process chulo labi se gala process of finding gachmo finding derivative in lo the process of finding derivative diludi differentiation se labi gala the word the keyword the same go jagob the gachmo se wachin derivative semidi the derivative semidi gachimo sachin tangagi nalu junime to kala derivative semidi ngachi gradient se law or slope se law to kala gradient se law gachilong lo daro ani lo gachilong lo derivative lo gradient ni to kala gradient or slope mosla slope of a curve at a point in to kala gradient or slope of a curve na lo bewachin geometrically bewachin of a curve at a point ani gachila bi lo mo na bi mekhen da to mola ani lo derivative se labi to bola derivative gachi ki denote bew derivative di dy over dx dy over dx ki denote bew if y is a function of x with respect to x me to bola dele yanjin ngachi f of function the f of x ngachi f prime x se dini to bola tamanga gi detail na jo namsum go to now ganemi the dambara gaji khang se differentiation se me the process chi se what process gaji gi process of finding derivatives and the derivatives se me the gachi mo and the gradient or slope of a curve at a point in to at a point in marala and the denote gadi be so y is a function of x be wajin then dy over dx se betup the f of x is a function be wajin f prime x thing achi derivative be denote betup sin to kala tani de agi nalu dumra chi explain binin to koshla tanga chi slope semide lapchi mo langa chi slope semide lapchi mo labla slope m semide gadi lapchi nga chi rise over run senga chi lower classes na lapni bade mo class 10 nalo tigade be tho y is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 se bade mo achi ani difference in y coordinates divided by difference in x coordinates labbi thank you sherchok wangmas group thank you for the rows kezin thank you for sharing dugala tani ding achigi slope se labda ngachigi de gachbe da analudi ngachigi the line chi baum bade mo ngachigi slope be odalo example slope de ani de bade now if I take this point here any point dele any point nalu take bewachin the any line lo digachilao any line lo di chord se law to kala because any curve di blue na emigi curve di any line black di 2 points na cut beum moshla 2 points na cut beum ba so any line lo di actually gachilao sajin chord chord se law to kala chord se law ta ani di ngagi analo point jini to kala ta ani graph di function gachigi mo sajin ani di y equal to x square gi to gala y equal to x square function diga chin lo y equal to x square y is a function of x pe duba da to na y equal to x square gi curve di parabolic be deon to gala parabolic be deon pas di katile be so original be on sin to gala follow ma ben so follow benamela tangachi gi rise over run di gade beong so if I want to find the slope of this line ani cheni la ba ching aji class 10 na lapchi ba demola gadi bil lapchi aldeso ani jeso bong achi gani be right triangle chi draw be ni ba demosla right triangle chi draw be dele anilu gachilao anilu alduso anilu de rise selao anilu gachilao anilu de run selao bade mosh ani di ngachi nalu rise over run jabbe slope seom bade ngachi when you want to find the slope of the given line between 2 points so ani pointing agi p be shani ani pointing agi a be shani ani point to gala point at which your line intersect with the curve class 11 ge ha go me da ngi curve di ani di blue di the line di black di so ani point of intersection of the line with the curve di ani a be jai analu intersect be me di p be jai se to boshla the for instance anagi x coordinate di ani be dijage ani be red gi dige ani x coordinate di ani x ki value di x imbachin x ki value di x imbachin mosla x ki value di x imbachin then y ki value di gachion la y ki value gachitheu analu y ki value gachitheu na bai khen gala ni y ki value ana y ki value gachitheu x square se theu ba de mosla x ki sama de x ro sumba de bada square ni digi y ki value di gachitheu sa jin x square se theu to gala nalu x square so for value when the value of x is x the corresponding value of y is x square be theu to gala ani de tham thas ana function na le derive be ni chirai hage gala function na le so when x is x पे देव दलो y की वैल्यू दिगा छि दियो से y की वैल्यू दी अनि दि y एक्सिस पे दवा सो y की वैल्यू दी x स्क्वायर दियो से तो गोशला त अनि पे दलो p की कोऑर्डिनेट दिगा छि दियो से अचिन x, y बे दियो बा देव y दिगा छि में त y दी x स्क्वायर से सुनी तो गला x स्क्वायर से सुनी देले ani ki diga chi diong so da ani di nga chi mo la a ki coordinate diga chi diong so ji a ki coordinate point a ki coordinate diga chi diong so chin the depend be ma de mo la x ti ga ti oi x ti ani x na le ana he chi ba de ana x ti ta me ana tha de ba da ana le he chi ta ana le ana sin shift ga dim chi jo do ga nga chi gi mi she ba ta ani be ni ga chi lang so chi nga chi gi small change in x se labbe small change in x se labbe delta x se bound of gala aldo ani loga chilang lo delta x se symbol anim azum chi use pe te ani bewachin ani point na lo x ki value di gaji diong so chin x ki value di x plus ana hemale anale ana sense x pe do ba dele daro anale ana sense delta x me ba anale ana so ani be odalu anale ana sense ki distance gam chi diong so anale ana sense ki distance di total distance me anale ana sense originally ana sense gam chi diong so chin anale ana sense x anale ana sense delta x so x plus delta x पे देऊं से तो गला x plus delta x पे देऊं से मैं follow बेना गालो follow में डाले फादिंग आगे पीछे का आरा upload बेओ live ना लो बजे कैफेन चलो गची से वचिन कैफेन दे चेगी immediately share सोनी को कभी ते या YouTube ना upload बेओ दतिंग आगे निम्ची दिचिगो तो गा निम्ची दिचिगो दा ngachi ani x ki di gamchi thobe x plus delta x ime te x ki value de x plus delta x imagine ta y ani di gamchi diong se me bola da ani di ngachi gi ani change in y di ngachi gi delta y be bani to gala change in y jom ba de mola ta ani exchange be odalo ani point na heb da ani point na lo x ki value de x plus delta x y ki value change jom ba de mosla y ki value change because daji di y ki value ana du ba de dagaji be ani point digati chi ya gutu he no ba de mola ani point se man baba ani point digati do compared to this point ya man be odalo y ki value di change era e ba de mo compared to this one so ani change thing aji delta y be jai to gola delta y be ta ani x ki value di ana chuni to gola ana chup dalu gachi happen be onda y ki value gachi thop langa chinala corresponding y ki value gachi thop analog gachi thop sewa chin ta ben analog thop gachi thop langa chege ana chugo ba dimosla so y ki value di dachi x pe da de x ro diom ba dan be x square se labe y ki value x square da to x plus delta x boj gachi thop x plus delta x whole square be diom y ki value mosla ani be the coordinates of a di gachi diom so x plus delta x comma y की वैल्यू दिगा छि देउ स वचिन त आनी दिगा छि सेम ख लेज में त चासु गो सल में आनी डेम्बा थेप छि तेंगो में x plus delta x whole square बे देउ से तो गला y की दी आनी बे देउ से nga छि की शेगो त nga छि what's this law this is introduction of derivative तो गला the derivative se me di nga chi ki point chi na cham chi imba deba the limit take back to ganalu now we are not finding the slope of this line instead we are interested to find the slope of this curve at p at p senime ngaji de to ba ngadi ani line ki slope goni member de deba da ngaji concept de line ki slope cheu da gadi bi cheu ani lalen thap de gera bedo to gala ta ani nalu ngaji gaji beong so chi now gradient of cot ap seba demo gradient of cot ap se gale line ana domina de line ap mosla a da p ani de gaji deong so chin gradient of cot ap equal to the gaji deong da y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 ani same formula de use chamne to gala same formula use chamni debao dalu da ngaji ki y2 de gaji deong se so this is my y2 to ga then this is my x2 to goshla and analu imedi ana pigi coordinate this is my x1 and ani de gajimo ani de x1 and this is my y1 to gala ani bijome the y2 the gamchime y2 is x plus delta x whole square minus dele y1 the gamchi deon y1 the x square be deon se ani substitute bene to gala divided by x2 the gamchima x2 the ana be do ba x2 the x plus delta x dele minus taro minus chap go ba x1 the gajima x1 is x ani de nalu chuni se now analu che al dusu garai she x plus delta x semidi gachi ki form na a plus b whole square ki form na ani de expand be da gachi thop ngachi ki garai she mola x square se thop ani x square dele plus ani ni multiply bego times 2 bego so 2 times x times delta x be thop dele plus dele ani ki square chap go which is delta x whole square se thop to gala dele minus gaji thop minus ani x square de thop minus x square se thop to goshla whole divided by ani x ta ani negative x ti sign different beni digi 0 jo cancel jo moshla the gachi lising achlo we are left with only delta x se de to gala delta x to goshla limit take be go me analo to gala limit take be ba danga chi limit take be dalu dict the da ani cancel jo daro positive x square da negative x square cancel jo to gala ani de cancel jo dele ngachilu gachi do so da 2x plus 2x delta x plus delta x whole square value se bala divided by delta x se deung langa chi delta x to bosla delta x pe deung ta anaya delta x to so analu the delta x square me tanga common take beni common the delta x common take beni to bola so aninale delta x 10 by so gachili si only 2x plus analu delta x square do devada delta x chi 10 chiga 10 babdalu you will be left with only delta x to bola then whole divided by gachi deon so ani delta x deon to bola ani delta x deon ani delta x ta ani delta x cancel jo to bola cancel jo ani babdalu ngachi gachi top so da gradient de gamchi top 2x plus delta x top se to bola delta x top se ani de ngachi ki da to derivative ina se wajin man to bola this is simply a gradient to bola ngachi atra gradient se homena ani de in se juni to bola atra ngachi slope se ni mena de ani formula cham chi apply baby ta ngachi ani ki shule derivative go wachi gachi bego se bola derivative bachi what do we need to do if you want to have your derivative sila me bola that derivative go wachi ngachi limit take bego se to bola ta ani point gi ngachi mola ani point na lo curve digi slope de ani point na gachi se wachi da gachi bego la ngagi gachi bego ta ani line di mola ani delta x di nata bagola ani di close to p ongola nata ongo to bola nata ongo such that ani point mola da nata ship bedalu ani point de nata jong de da ania so omba so ani delta x di gach beong so wachi da ani delta x means distant bedawa small change in x bedawa ani di now halam negligible jong da close to p theom ba de close to p theom te ani nalo ngachi limiting chap ni se ani limiting nalo gachi beong so da ani gradient de domen hala ani gradient de ngachi gi te ani de ngachi limiting chap ba ani jong la limit se na chuni me da gi ana chuge ta analo gachi jong so chi nga gi gradient do mala gradient do ba gradient equal to ngai limit chung to gala so limit delta x tends to 0 ani di suni to gala ani gachi do 2x plus gachi do delta x se do ba delta x now ngachi ki limit 10 tam da lo ani tends to 0 labbe ani close to 0 joni me ba de close to 0 jo ba halam negligible me ba so 2x cham chi liu plus ani ki sama ga chi chung so chinga chi ki 0 chung when this distance become very close me la to gala when this delta x tends to 0 7 namsame na p ki sawale pa jani me ba de ani badal gamchi thop sa 2x thop se ta ani 2x ti ngachi limiting chap be thot be do ba ta ani lo gachi laung se wajin dy over dx laung se ani lo gachi laung se wajin dy over dx laung se ani ti gachi mo se wajin ani dy over dx ti ngachi gi derivative e se labni to gala gachi lo derivative e se ta ani dy over dx सेमेगी प्रोसेस तिलो अनि प्रोसेस तिलो गचिलाउ सचिन डिफरेंशिएशन से लाउ से तो गला डिफरेंशिएशन से लाउ से अपनी बे तो गला सो टेंजेंट एट पी जो अनि कोड दि गचि बेउ सजे आना गाइने चिकि जिन्नवा टेंजेंट एट पी से अनि दतुंगागी सिमुलेट बेउदा तब मे दे मोला सिमुलेशन टेम बजे टिकटि आस्नु ते अनि कंप्युटर न अनि सिमुलेशन गी छि सो अनि कोड दि ngachigi अनि मोला ani distant close be omdalu ani di gachi jong so ani di tangent jong la tangent to gala tangent semidi gachi be so chin ani curve dilu at ani point na jam chi touch pe be jong to gala ani point na jam chi touch pe be jong so ani line di ngachi gi ane be mola ani close pe jota ani line de ane be change be tama ane be jong la so ani tangent se ganle this line will touch only at one point of the curve to gala ani point de gatilo mo p na lo in se to gala so ani dy over dx hemegi process tilu differentiation se labi da alu disu gachi hago go sajin derivative se lab da gachi se ma ngachi gi slope or gradient se ani hago go to gala debo da slope or gradient gatilu se ni mo sajin ani line digi slope se ni na se debe men se we want to find the slope of a curve at a point chi na lo jam chi ani point digi mosh curve dinalo ani point yesa gi sago nalo curve digi slope diga dimchi na ani chego bajin ani slope of a curve at a point lo the derivative se labi se ani process tilo ani derivative semi gi process tilo differentiation labi se chengi anim je hago go se shuni te ani be semi dilo di ngachi gi first principle mo la ani nale derivative from first principle se lao debauda interesting de gachi shega alduso ani di chulu gachi tene mo sawachin chegi differentiation se labme dalepa differentiation se talo gachi chemo sawachi slope sewe semji shego to gala differentiation nalo gachi bemo sangachi derivative se slope debaudalu line ki slope ina se debe men se specifically ngachi gachi na focus pedoson curve digi point chi nalo slope sening ngachi si chabi semichi chege shego to gala dile ngachi derivative thoming ani function dilo mola ani lo the gradient functions now to gala gradient functions now ani dy over dx equal to 2x the gradient function in to gala gradient function in se shodola ani di chegi goda gole calculus gochup dalu why derivative semi gachi chemo silame derivative semi di slope sewi se instantaneous rate of change in semichi chegi shego ta chegi application question beodalu nabana se hago to bol debada datto che gochup dalu gachi benimo so hajin chegi ani slope che semichi di hago go seshuni to gala hago go seshuni ani post beon langa gi post beon se jodo to gala okay the gari follow chizena debada da gachi begos atara ani bichap go sa ani bichap mengo we have what we call as rules of differentiation is ani rules of differentiation di chengi lalen thapshe bajin you will get your gradient function to gala poskong thank you so much poskong okay ani di first part of kachimo surgeon differentiation gi the initial ngachi gi conceptual learning di the analebe go chubi se da nalepa gachina jogo surgeon ngachi gi rules of differentiation ne jogo se mosla tangagi notation chi jinge nalo notation chengi textbook na yi ta ani notation chi nalo jinge to gala so ani notation ni gadi se wachin da ani dinga chi gi dergi dubde yi ta notation chi nalo jini me to ga notation chi jini ngagi ani notation ni khache 내가 지기 example check function di gadibe function di ditang gadibe se function di example ngalu y equal to x square se bachin thete nga chigi y equal to x square se dium bade mo function di thete gadibe dium nga chigi thete di f of x is equal to x square se dium bade tani bodalu y gi sama f of x se sudaro khemi di nga chi tubba de mo function notation imba tani bodalu gadim chibe y equal to x square bachin derivative gi notation di gadibe beong so bachin dy over dx se deong se to gala dy over dx derivative mosla derivative ime and dy over dx equal to the anything achi differentiate beodalu the chiller be ime and the 2x thopchi mola the chiller thopchi me na de analo 2x thopchi mosla 2x dele thete gadibe deong so bachin f of x se fx equal to x square be deong the ani ki derivative dinga chi do not be go chin gadibe digos dy over dx se member gadibe digos f prime x se to gala f prime x se digo is equal to 2x se digo so ani dinga chi original function e ani ni di the ani ni di gachi mo sa nga chi gradient function e se notation di gachi da tin di jo ya lu function gadibe do not beno ani da tin di be back of the gauge se shuni to gala so f prime x in ro dy over dx in ro mabe ini di the gradient function e se me di shego to gala ani chi shuni ya follow manam do so follow na di kar jana 16.5 eno garagi tap tap china di kar jana to gala hago gala okay yeah the ani nalu differentiation of the ngachigi rules mola differentiation nalu we have different rules pedoba to make your work easy te shule labness se labme dekhogi be the rules la sha zonu te ani be dalu ngachigi dakpa chi te nalu bege top kala so power nalu be waje gachi shegoga che de apply gadibe begoga and so nalu ngachigi chikhabe bege so 23 years no ngachigi 10 since jam chi byong as soon as 10 jochi ngachi stop beni to bola stop beni dele continuation di next week the to bosla next week okay now let us go to rules of differentiation to bola kachila rules of differentiation so da dalifa khengome nabagi rules of differentiation aldiso class 11 gi aldislo tangai labdo chengi da shegome rules of differentiation to gala so rules slash yu te dambadi gachimo achigi gaji dambadi power rule mola ime so dambadi gachimo achi dambadi power rule se tap tap chi nandi kat jana garagi power rule to gala power rule so power rule di gadi se wachin example ngalu constant multiple da andisunga chikhabera shujage to gala ngalu example ani be bachin y equal to x raised to n se bachin mosla so analu power jin jano ba tele exponent de n ime to gala exponent de gachime n ime se shuni so ani ki derivative se bachi gadibe seong achi ki derivative de gachi deong la achi ki jamdong to gala if this is my function my derivative dy over dx is equal to power the ana ngachi exponent de chiga play bene to gala so exponent de gati theo dong kha theo so exponent will come in the front x raised to then reduce the exponent by gachi ki pego reduce by 1 attara reduce by 1 to gala so ani n di dong kha ta tele reduce n by 1 so ani dinga chi ki gradient function be to gala very easy that the rule use be that the very easy that the rule use ma be first principle use pe wachin namse rem jo to gala ani bendingra khongi rule baunu bala so this is the first rule of differentiation which we call it as power rule and we need this one throughout ngachi gora go ani to gala ani me bachin me top session to gala ani de gora go session da ani nalu ngagi kha takpa chi nalu bege to gala if you have function e bachi to gala example chi bege ngachi de che class na bebe in ru ra ngagi chachi te mabe me de solution jage to gala de upload e bege ga ju upload be da shumam gi ngachi gi shuma alu class 10 gi al 11 have the pen thoma de mosla example ngalu y equal to example ji bege me example ngalu y equal to x raised to 3 se bachin andi the type 1 example type 1 to gala e bachin ani ki derivative se hoji gati besego dy over dx is equal to 3 di dongkha bani chi rai x raised to 3 minus 1 ani rule apply be to gala which is gamchi top surgeon 3 the 3 where x raised to 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is the gradient function dy over dx the gamchi top surgeon. Therefore your dy over dx is equal to 3x square semedi chugi gradient function is. So I need type 1 very easy namsam kangal ganemi ta ngagi sosuchi beni to gala y is equal to if I have mosla so gadim chibe ngalu 3 ngalu 4 ani constant multiple chibe me member tambara magi di bagi to gala. So if I have x raised to ani be bachin 1 over x square se bachi to gala ani the second type be mela second type be chelo type 1 type 2 type 3 ngezin be sheko. You should identify the given function and you have to see where your independent variable is. The independent variable the tham answer gati me numerator nahi me ba an bindi ki kangal gane me do mosla tato gati do denominator nahi me. So denominator na imbachi gachi pe ni mo chamtong to be dambara ani di yata ba ani to gala yata bab dalo 1 times you'll get x raised to now this will become negative 2 tachi positive 2 duba tato negative 2 jo. So y is equal to simplify begop theom bade. So 1 times x raised to negative 2 x raised to negative 2. Now what is your dy over dx jamtong to mosh exponent gachi me exponent negative 2 ani negative 2 di dongkha hongo x raised to negative 2 the ani jago minus 1 bego ase. So what is your dy over dx? Your dy over dx is negative 2x and negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Nichara negative image add bego there was a sign the negative bago. So finally therefore my dy over dx tachigi form nara dini sewaji negative 2 di guto go deu divided by gaji deu so the x raised to negative 3 di ma denominator na jogo ba di mosla jo da lo negative 3 di gaji jo so positive 3 jo. So this is your final answer mosla ani di nammo when your independent variable is in the denominator ya ta take bebe beni gi to bala ta ani be mebe ta ngadi shortcut use beni so jam tong to to bala shortcut chi use beni so s h o r t ngagi di shortcut use pe ngadi shortcut use pe because ngagi pattern ha ko ba di mosla ta ngai gaji pe y equal to 1 over x square e bachi ngai shortcut gadi use pe so dy over dx pe ani di mola yalu di atra negative ongo yalu negative ongo se ngara mind na yuba tele ani 2 da ani 1 multiply bego so 2 times 1 is 2 be deu tele ani 2 the increase by 1 syllab be tele ngagi di thom ta ani be deu because shortcut she ba ngagi I know the pattern but pattern ma shemelu da ani be jogo se pattern shemelu di thom ta sa to bola daro example ji jinge ngagi ani shortcut use chabbe to bola if I have y equal to tamela 2 divided by ana negative 2 be jage to bola negative 2 be jage x raised to ngagi 5 se chabachin analu shortcut use chabaji gachi pego se ngai gachi shui dy over dx nalu de gachi shui negative de mapler theu se dele ani ni multiply chab go ba ani negative di dato ngachi ani lab me dachi negative merura negative thei ba so dato di negative yi nalu so ani the 2 times 5 negative 2 times 5 will give you negative 10 divided by x nalu gachi pego da x ki exponent nalu chi add bego so 5 plus 1 is 6 which is equal to negative will become positive so 10 over x raised to 6 is your dy over dx labbe ani me theu do gala ani di charagi shortcut she bachi no worries jam dong do answer ten so deba the shortcut mashi the ani pattern di same ka me bachin all the time che safer side gidan lo do this one. One thing that you need to keep in mind the gachi so chen variable term di yata ba be back of the ge che ani be long cut na be shortcut na be chen ya ba mengo term transfer chera same kalo midi negative the atar chugo dilani multiply bego increase the exponent by 1 so chen tubra tub se class 11 gi dari do gala class 11 gi ani di second example maxima and minima class 12 gi ngagi 12 BMT ki chamchi beni be jai that the booking the BMT ki chamchi be de PMT gage mabela booking nobody booked PMT ki gage book mabe BMT ki book be de so BMT ki dingagi khongi timetable na be wach BMT ki name me tage so BMT ki timetable na lo so BMT ki timetable di Thursday BMT gagi book beno sa chin dorji semiti ki book be jano to gala so dorji ki be book beno se shuni tani be the lose PMT I don't know nobody came I was there for 2 hours ki live di anagai mau the third nalu joni to ba third example nalu jo the lo so shule PMT ki goni is do let me know that to the BMT ki book chap no la this week di to gala okay follow mana me this follow na dikati chana the next thing agi example the y equal to root e bachin root de bachi to kala root de bachin to pushla root de bachi mela root de bachin root di remove beni se to pushla root di remove beni so y equal to analu x ki power gachi do 1 is the x ki power 1 ime the numerator be deun to kala numerator be deun so x 1 over se deun root the remove beuchi exponent the fractional deun fractional to ba fraction na deun the analu gachi se wachin ana chungko chi dobola ani ki analu gane me wachi gachi indicate beun square root the analu ime ki number di ana chugo se ana gane min do ba de to gane me wachi by default 2 in to bola by default 2 in so do dele jam chi differentiate beni dy over dx is equal to 1 over 2 di dongkha bani dele x raised to 1 over 2 minus 1 bego power rule apply be me daro which is equal to 1 over 2 x raised to what is 1 over 2 minus 1 so smaller number subtracted by bigger number by minus theo and then half minus 1 is half or 1 minus half is half beto ba de mosla equal to gaji top searching equal to final gaji top 1 over ani 2 mela ani 2 nalu chuni x raised to negative half the math above the x raised to positive half bejo to gala positive half then finally what will be my dy over dx my dy over dx will be equal to 1 over 2 I know that x raised to 1 over 2 is root of x and the root of x the other nature is to gala ani bitini so 1 over 2 root of x is your answer is to gala ani di when you have square root the shortcut be square root gidi jamtong to hi debada datong agi meten shortcut gidi tama achi chikhale tenge to ba daro anzum type chi mabe wachin chegu to naw ba demo chegu to naw ba an beni type chi betang he to gala type chi beni ya kamche asi 22.8 asno so brain break chi gobe tap chi na dikari chana okay let us make it to 30k are tap ya al diso rest pe shokalo sergi chuchi thunge me to yeah follow ma bim deso follow chi zena because now this program is going to continue till the end of the year and then whatever I upload YouTube nalu whatever I teach here will definitely help you for 2 years not just 11 nalu it will also help you in 12 to class 12 na help you thank you for following everybody yeah 24.5 asnu gara ki tap ya nyamrup ki kole tap nabu ki tap nam chi delenga gi 30 jo chi go chung ba de mosla ani be odalu will be able to complete the syllabus la bro concept on time de mosha concept on time ani ba so concept di jo can we do personal can we do personal what personal so wachin one to one tutor goni be na la one to one tutor go wachin you have to book me as your personal tutor charagi personal tutor be goni se wachin book bego te ani di rate di gadim chenga disle shui 11 science which stream lo yeah 11 science which stream I don't know 11 science the science stream ratela mo math teacher be lo oh personal be math teacher be wachi per hour 1000 pay bego I will come at you please teach you charagi kangil gachi ani fix pe so per hour 1000 per hour 1000 everybody for your kind information ngagi dato schedule di pack asi the class 12 ki chi nga accept be jai Friday the shendi class 12 ini la BMT ge PMT very expensive yes la very expensive sir very expensive la because ngagi group na betem machin alu rele ngagi 1 hour na lo halam alu group betem machin 1 hour na lo halam chi ani beola I get more than 1000 but 1 to 1 naludi 1000 ma bewachin then I have to drive I have to go the chimna beges and tab mide so I have to go and then teach students at the place and about the low the 1000 the reasonable thome nga kidi 1 to 1 be because the pace at which you cover the topics the pace at which you teach to meet the needs of the student mola ani dina me efficient yu la effective yu I have coached more than that halam lab gobe now my students are studying at university some the qualify yasi gara teach pe and they were extremely satisfied with the service that I provided so that was sensing agi be mi giro gara gi only feedback leshimi college ki math la college ki math I don't think I'll be able to do because I might have to study a lot. For now school ki bhevachi school ki level bhevachi I have no problem. The college ki bhevachi if you have any soft copy nalo if you have syllabus and all please do let me know sachitage debata dusai ka debe top ka se sagi de ani bi no science and commerce are arts the commerce ki the same hi debata look science ki the man. So rule of differentiation is 6 and happening in us. No, I'm not worried about the coverage of rules and all. I'm worried about how efficient how efficient my teaching is and how much you understand. Okay. The next na juni to kola kangal ganemi sharashari. The next question the bewachin anebe joma ba. The question the gadibe do savachin the root gain to bola. If I have tame if I have y equal to cube root of x square savachin. Daru root raime ba but this time we have cube root. Now ansu mombachi root remove better bego se. Ani dinagi same kalu jago to bola remove the root. So y equal to gach top saji x top analo x ki exponent the numerator be deon se divided by analo emigi number the denominator be jogo se cube root se 3 the denominator be jong fourth root se 4 the denominator be jong to bola denominator be jong. Now you can easily differentiate dy over dx gatok to digo as soon as you put this dy over dx then the rule apply me. You cannot say I'll put x raised to 2 over 3 syllabe. Tamacham je differentiate beni so mitu by. As soon as you write this dy over dx, you have to apply the rule. So 2 over 3 na thyo x raised to 2 over 3 minus 1 power rule apply be to bola. So power rule ding achi root nalu beto when the variable is in the denominator beto semi disugara you need power rule everywhere. Without power rule no way. Differentiation dilata. So 2 over 3 x raised to now simplify this one. Ani simplify beni ki denlo gach beni. Wai ani lahata me calculator na bena dubga. Hagoi ma d bena me sim lahata ma calculator na. So 2 over 3. So take 2 ab by c 3 minus 1. Kamchi me negative 1 over 3 tamede jamtong to be negative 1 over 3 anibe dini se ma calculator lava kesha telen ani di business the math ani pure ni sharutupla science ki math the business math ni sharutup to bola anibe beni. Then after that 2 over 3d take this x raised to negative 1 over 3 in the denominator which will now change the sign of the exponent. That is negative 2, that to the positive 1 over 3 se to kala. Nimchi chenge answer deo se shuni. So ani de achi ma asi actually the ani 3 de achi 1 over 3 de agutu go digo to kala. Ani achi each ani as to kala leshumi dige 2 over 3 x raised to 1 over 3 se jachi chibe. Ani bete ko te ke to kala. General mitu boy tu bhai general gachi mitu general tu okay class 11 gi 12 dia tu kala those who want to refresh 12 gi disula to session in to kala we are done with the power rule. Now constant multiple rules se labni scalar multiple rules se labni is up to you to kala. Now rule number 2 mostly that is rule number 1 judui. Now let us go to rule number 2 which is constant multiple rule constant or scalar scalar. So constant or scalar se number be to mostly number multiple rule share go te ani mashivach mi to mola constant multiple rule or scalar multiple rules number ta ani be de say example ngalu mosla y equal to I wish you a teacher when I was in 12 y equal to 3x square say bachin. If this is my function, now look at this. earlier we had this kind of question, this kind of function where we didn't have constant other than 1 moshla dato gajidu x square gi donkalu 3 du analu gajidu dachi 1 by default me so any constant other than 1 evachin then constant multiple rule apply begose dajidi bego mebate because 1 times 2 is 2 only but this time 2 times 3 will give you 6 pedawadi not just 2 mosh and bendegi when you have number in front kadibe benimo semeba jam tong to so gajibego dy over dx emegola dy over dx please wait I need to dy over dx equal to gajibego savajin 3 the guy imbera jani dele times the power rule they apply beni so 2 will come in front x raised to 2 minus 1 which is now you can multiply this to 6x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1 which is same as writing 6x so this is my dy over dx gradient function to bola the connection the gadibe zone na shilling a graphically te on to bola that to the first thing achi rule have the me rule have the mare gachi rule to bola rule have the gachi ani rule di malhaba ji bende gachi la khai bade moshla okay let me just charge bege 86 as no okay charge ma be wachindele kes kemula okay charge bege let charge okay everybody tap 30.8 ra janu me tap asichi as an indication that you are equally involved zumitoi because you are not tapping meaning you are concentrating and listening me some might be writing too I understand Moshla yes la at final year la lo final year okay final year kachigi final year ina ani be du se to bola first type di judui second type na juni so school days na lunga chi foundation le shum chu ba chin kangel mi college na hib de ani derivation deu college na lo de derivation de ben de achi chi gutu now de bada halam chi khale de jaw sip me ba okay now second type the y equal to if my constant is say 1 over 2 imengi constant di then x raised to if I say 4 x raised to 4 whatever function I'm giving is random to gala random function ime now constant the 1 over 2 ime so ngachi gachi penmo dy over dx is equal to 1 over 2 the animrashani times apply power rule for this x raised to 4 you'll get 4 x raised to 4 minus 1 which is cancel betu badimo cancel betu me topde 2 1 is 2 2 is 4 the gachi thop ngai 2 times 1 is 2 divided by another 1 chamchi so 2 chamchi thop the 2 x raised to 4 minus 1 is 3 so this is my derivative 2x cube selape moshla I don't mind lining again okay la anime session so we are done with constant or scalar multiple rule this is a basic idea about how we actually use this constant multiple rule to kala so basic idea on constant multiple rule next na juni da ngachigi addition and subtraction silabbe omba so that was sense the term rere chamchi but you can see questions with so many terms moshla you'll see questions with so many terms and the yeah UB method will come multiplication theo so UB method will come definitely so addition gi I think we'll be able to complete all the rules sani zum jindu dari I think nagi yani feel be me I feel I should because upload be the sachi guramo so now we'll go to rule number 3 which is addition or subtraction mabad gargi shi anidi addition or subtraction rule tate addition tate subtraction deuma demola panalu addition or subtraction rules now addition and subtraction at gadi video sawachin if I have a function y equal to function leshe diyo me to gala f of x plus minus g of x plus minus h of x gaje deu you can have more than two terms to bola more than two terms three terms e hosi and in your textbook two terms they may but no problem gane mi annalu terms the gadim che hosi to gala so ani be bachin if you have more than one term nalu be 1 2 3 do ba ani be bachin achi gach be go sajin relation do term relation do differentiate be go sin to gala term relation do differentiate by gosi to gala chara thebbi kangal ganemi so dy over dx is equal to anigi derivative sego to gala f prime x plus or minus anigi derivative sego g prime x plus or minus anigi derivative sego h prime x to gala ane bi joni rai tenga chi ane bi sedra joni bala shara ba ane be dalu lalu chi gi anzumya thondon dy over dx mosla dy over dx kachton lalji I need to make the you will also see this type dy over dx is equal to d by dx of f of x plus or minus d by dx of g of x plus or minus d by dx of h of x and we thomba demo achi oh there is a rule for difference addition subtraction division multiplication yes definitely rule se shoda to wala now question chi bege to wala question chi bege question ding agi chegi all this exercise nal bege to wala exercise nal bege that rule cham chi explain beni me to wala rule cham chi suppose if I have this on the mosla question d you are asked to find dy over dx for each of the following semeba so example nalu dalu we have y is equal to 5x square minus x plus 1 ani bedu the ani ki derivative se sajin dy over dx is equal to power rule apply beni jam chite tanalu d by dx of 5x square se bemengola just ani the rule chi to gola rule chi this is our rule rule chi cham chi la so ani bedalu direct beni the 5 the anara ja times kaji bego 2x raised to 2 minus 1 minus what is d by dx of x kamchi mala d by dx of x di kengala na bogi so analu power gachi me by default power gachi me power is 1 so 1 di dong khatheu interesting hi to 1 di dong khatheu dele x raised to 1 minus 1 bego ba demos plus what is d by dx of constant nani malha ba demo achi ki so ani di dato not beni do kala d by dx of constant is 0 gajibe constant di gajibe 0 because there is no slope there slope ra me ba demos la kadibe slope me example graph chi be watching agi ani gi x me ani gi y me analu oh wait faster okay ngagi ani notification chi on de dan bendigi jigsaw puzzle zu me chugo mo so d by dx of constant is 0 because ngigi example y equal to if I say y equal to 5 ki graph di consum deu y equal to 5 1 2 3 4 5 so 5 the anali mujhe y equal to 5 is a horizontal line bedwa so annalu di we do not have slope area me bade yata da mata jojo area me ba is a plane area bedwa mostly is a plane thing coming here is a line there's no slope that is why the derivative of constant se go bachinde is all the time 0 bedwa there's no slope ra me bade annanalu di it's a straight line bedwa mostly horizontal line so there's no slope and when the derivative of 0 is derivative of constant is always 0 okay derivative of 1 is 0 derivative of half is 0 derivative of 5 is 0 derivative of 20 is 0 constant number cham je 0 in se to bola so dy over dx the gamji thop se I'll get 5 times 2 is 10 x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1 which is 10x minus ani gamji thop la you'll get 1 10 times x raised to 1 minus 1 is 0 this one I'm not going to take 10x minus 1 times what is x raised to 0 x raised to 0 is 1 which is equal to 10x minus 1 so this is your dy over dx so well this is your dy over dx now important note is from now on d by dx of constant is always equal to 0 semidi not bena to bola chi ani therefore chi gachi be d by dx of x d by dx of x the gamchime dato ana ngagi dato the example team ba yale detail na be but the nabale da ani be mengo so d by dx of x is directly equal to 1 d by dx of x is directly equal to 1 to kala and ani same ko jago be ani ni same ko jago be chenge ani ni same ko jago d by dx of constant is 0 and d by dx of x is 1 sela be to kala ani chi same ko jago seshini thank you for reposting everybody thank you follow man nam this follow na dikari jana so analo addition the subtraction ki rule apply be ma be analo terms gamji do 1 2 3 terms so analo minus 2 and plus 2 adani be watching achigi separate be differentiate be go se lappe rule gi ani be me to gala karma thank you for the rose karma sir thank you for the rose karma sir rule gachira saila now we are going to do next thing achi product rule product rule chain rule we have chain rule we have product rule chain rule product rule so we are about to complete product rule be watching achi judum bademo now let us go to what we call as chain rule na joge dele product rule na joge to bola ani rule di judura dugola ju madwa jimitupla tap 50 zona kara gya okay chain rule na maju hema kara gya ya garagi tangage youtube na upload pe jaun and so to ka youtube na upload pe jaun yes everybody yeah tap and 50 oi mendo me tap pe mera phansi se me tenga di phansi si yeah tap everybody tap yeah charuchi yeah japchor tap everybody tap yeah okay on the good amen tap bedime hello sir yes la temps the great sir whatever question rule la we have product rule we have question rule we have garai chain rule so we'll complete them all no problem complete benna tangachi disachi godime so if you're willing to stay little late I can complete all these rules today and tomorrow next week we'll move to other parts question la do question dinga beju tabara rules complete bege to bola rules complete bege okay 50 zona 50 zona 50 zona se je ninda wala 50 zona Yes, 42 has some such commas points and their coordinates in 3 dimension 10 oh. Yes, some other day I will definitely help you. Not today differentiation. So your YouTube ID please. Tutor STC. Tutor STC to wala. Recently I football ki kole upload pe ni because I want watch hour of 4,000 hours is close to 3,000. So from the present topic, from which subtopic is sir explaining? Like, is it from textbook of 11? Yes, definitely 11 gi. Another explain better because she stick bego with mola. Okay, next thing gachimo search in chain rule. The chain rule. So chain rule the fourth me. So ngachi bego moshla chain rule. The chain rule. So chain rule the ngachi ki bethang yi. CHAN chain rule. To wala. Next is chain rule. The chain rule. Okay, chain rule na lo ngachi gadi be sawachin if I have example jijinge if I have y equal to 3x minus 2 whole raised to 7 say wachin. In order to make this one this derivative easy, I can substitute this u in place of 3x minus 2. I can replace this by u, meaning I'm going to substitute 3x minus 2 equal to u se substitute by the tup saying ba. Then after that dy over dx hen then lo dy over dx hen then lo what ngagi gachi chego so nambara. So ani the gachi jonda. What will happen to this one as soon as I replace 3x minus 2 by u se ani gachi so y is equal to u raised to 7 se jomba, u raised to 7. Now ani gi the y with respect to u sego ani the u with respect to x se sego ba de mosh. Ani bichego ba ananali gamchi top se ananali gachi top se you'll get dy over du top times ananali gachi top se du over dx top. So ani ge dy ani ni multiply by the low. When you multiply this two, dy over du and du over dx we get dy over dx. We get our derivative same ba. And then other rule digachi is wachin ani member ani lalen mathor rutop ani lalen thap rutop. Other rule digachi is directly beni chahiye to gala. So number any rule use chappe ngagi derivative ga define benina thing to gala. So suppose if I have y equal to u raised to 7, if I replace this 3x minus 2 by u, then your dy over du is equal to use the power rule. Use the power rule, you get 7 u raised to 7 minus 1 is 6. So this is my first dy over du motion, first derivative the antho. And then when I take this one, u equal to ani take bewajin 3x minus 2 take bewajin. Now I need to differentiate u with respect to x, du over dx pegoba, which is equal to d by dx 3 the animera deu, then d by dx the gamchi lapchi d by dx of x the gamchi lapchi, d by dx of x is 1 in mola 1 is lapchi ba. So ani the low times 1 minus d by dx of constant kadimchi is juing ai dachi, d by dx of constant is 0. So ani badalo ani the 0 jones. As a result you get du over dx is equal to 3 times 1 is 3, 3 minus 0 is 3, simply 3. Now what is your dy over dx? What is your, we need to ultimately find this dy over dx. And what is your dy over du? Dy over du dy over du times du over dx. So dy over dx the gachithop you are going to get dy over dx is 7 u raised to 6 times du over dx is 3, which is equal to 3 times 7 is 21, and u gi sama gachitsuni masachi u gi sama you are going to replace 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2 whole raised to gamjithop sachi 3x minus 2 whole raised to gamjithop and gamjithop power 6. So this is my dy over dx. So this is the first method chain rule. Second method de ngai nalu tenge to gala. Second method de nalu tenge sessioni to gala. Jamdong to be bezu na bogi to gala. Thage langop kanemi jamdong to be bezu me. Kangel ganemi jamdong to be bezu to gala. Now second method de gadive use chapni masawachin. Interesting. Oh, interesting. Yeah, second rule de ngagi chain rule apply bewaji gadive bewonsawachin. Very short. If I have y equal to initial function dirabani, you'll get 3x minus 2 whole raised to 7. Now you differentiate dy over dx, differentiate beni, and 7 the dongha bani, then 3x minus 2, reduce 7 by 1, which is 6. And then you have to differentiate whatever we have inside. What is the derivative of 3x minus 1? 3x minus 2 the gamchimo. So 3 the 3 bera deu. What is the derivative of x? Derivative of x is 1. So times 1 there. What is the derivative of 2? Is 0. So anyway the 0 they take bemeng over. So directly 7, you'll get 3x minus 2 whole raised to 6, and 3 times 1 is 3. And ultimately 3 times 7 is 21. 3x minus 2 top whole raised to 6. This is same as what we got. The jigamji top chi that anim jira top. So ani direct we use beru top. The ani confident me bachin use the formula, and then simplify to get your derivative. To wala ani we calculate bena seshuni chain rule. Ani the chain rule ni me chain rule. To wala we are done with chain rule. Now we'll go to the nabale second part na have the question be me ngai question to wala question be ma that rule ga share be jata. So that chegi question be to achi bero idea thop choose no be ngai be to wala. Now next thing gachi joni mo the product rule na joni to wala product rule. So rule number 5 is product rule. Rule number 5 is product rule. Okay. The product rule. Product rule. To bola product rule. So product rule na the if you have function gachi ki form na example y equal to function mola y equal to uv ki form na bachin uv and u and v they are functions in x nahi to bola learned a lot today. So u and v are functions in x to bola functions in x ime ani be bachin. How can you find your dy over dx? Jump down to dy over dx. So u jani, then d by dx of derivative the gachi ki seni v ki seni equal no partiality me bias me. Tato u di sangsa be jado v di gachi bedo gachi ki differentiate bedo. Tele plus suni product ki denlo di plus me to kala question ki denlo di minus hi. Then plus 2 dele v di sangsa be jani d by dx of the first u the differentiate bene ani badalu in mass nalu di ngachi ki uniformity no biasness me bias me annalu di to ngachi ki nichara differentiate bego to bola first na di v bego second na u bego. So differentiate di gati ki di bego sajin and d by dx ki jab khalo me the differentiate bego d by dx ki jab khalo me the differentiate bego u the v which is in front of d by dx the differentiate be mango. So this is the product rule to product rule ni dangai question chi nalu bege me to ga chegi example nale member exercise nale bege to kala exercise nale bege achi bero penthoni meba. Okay, let me check kati to anadu. Now example chi bewachin product rule gi example chi bewachin ngalu y is equal to if I have hamara simple chi bejing me namo chain rule da anju su be mi benova nalu kemindu deberra 5x and then we have 2x plus 1 3 whole raised to 3 to kala anidu. So ngachi ki u di gachimo dato u di 5x. What is our v? V is our 2x plus 1 whole raised to 3. Ema ani di ngachi ki v be deu. Ta zum u the b sim the multiplication be deba analo gachi do 5x is being multiplied by 2x plus 1 whole raised to 3. Ani be hebachin dagani ani open be binomial expansion jab be dewa di tham thasa ani use be hochi to se. Ani ki a plus b whole cube ki formula use pe watching tele expand be dego. Then this is how much ani badalu instead of expanding this simply use this formula. Ani 2x plus 1 semidi gachimola whole raised to 3 semidi 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 sasum multiply bego sela biglo ima dani de musla. Or you use the binomial expansion ki theorem. Binomial theorem they use be you expand this. You will have extra work deong to ga han bendigi multiply be do they expand be dewa di thamda za ani use peni to gala. That is why we have the product rule of differentiation. Now joni dy over dx gachi shuing agi u di sangsa be ja ase so 5x di sangsa be ja ase. Now you differentiate d by dx of your v which is 2x plus 1 whole raised to 3 dele banalu plus su se. Then 2x plus 1 whole raised to 3 sansa be ja se vd. Then d by dx of u di be se u di gamchimo 5x pena se to gala which is equal to 5x times now 3 dong khadeo me 3 dong khadeo 2x plus 1 then reduce 3 by 1 which is 2 and then you differentiate whatever we have inside. First na di differentiate beni me ome first na di power jam che apply bego 3 phata jo 3 minus 1 bedo 2 jo dani ki shule jam che now you don't have to take power take be mengo simply differentiate ani beni. So what is the derivative of x? Derivative of x is 1. So 2 di ani bra what is the derivative of 1 is 0. The plus ani be jo ani plus the sui then you have 2x plus 1 whole raised to 3 and what is the 5 di ani bra 5 di ani bra what is the derivative of x? It's 1 mojla analu times in se khengomela ani ni gi bana to bola ani da d by dx of 5x ki bana lo times in se. Now multiply bene de 5 times 3 is 15 times 2 is 30x top then you are going to get 2x plus 1 whole square plus from here I'm going to get 5 you have 2x plus 1 whole raised to 3 the ani ki shule common take bene sevajan you take common gachi to ani nalu. Okay 30 is a multiple of 5 so I'm going to take 5 out. Then 2x plus 1 whole raised to 2 do another 2x plus 1 whole raised to 3 do and when 2x plus 1 whole square the smallest power the gachi common be take beni If I take 5 common from here, analu the 6x liu, because 5 times 6 should give you 30. Then analu 2x plus 1 ni chigaten by the mosla. So common sevdalu na we can go mela. Common the gadibi take be na laluchi common take be mishe mela. The anibadulu 6x tion analu jemi gara jon. The analu the plus tion 5 the chiga jon analu 2x plus 1 ni then jon anibadulu you'll get only 2x plus 1, which is going to give you 5. 2x plus 1 whole square, and then 6x plus 2x will give you 8x plus 1. So this is your answer. Ani donkhatsurutup. The common take betang chingai tenge to bola common take betang chingai tenge. Ana zimela. Ana ing soso ke bedige. If you look at this, common gachidu salabachin. Ani dingai gadi ditup sajin 5 times 6x se dituba demo 6x se. Tub metub. Then I have 2x plus 1 whole square se plus and if 5 the anibra dini then 2x plus 1 whole square se dini agi delechi daro 2x plus 1 se bani to bola 2x plus 1 se bani mela tani badal 2x plus 1 whole square times 2x plus 1 bedadi cube thoba dela. But why did I take this one separately? Gachipe separate being again anini gachipe anibe d because common take beni common se me gachi na ngai teni to gar common se. So analoy gachipe 5 times 6 be because common gachi do ani teni de. So 5 common dele ani common which is 2x plus 1 whole square common, again 2x plus 1 whole square common, anini chikaten bani de, which is exactly what I did then almost. Tani chikaten bani da 5 delegachido 2x plus 1 whole square. Ani chikaten by me ni charana common me ana idu ana 5 the 2x square plus 1 whole square do. Ani bodalo ani term nalu gachi lisi se 6x chamchi lisi bade plus analu gachi lisi se 2x plus 1 chamchi lisi bade. Ani beni gede 6x plus 2x plus 1 se thop gome jumsen, which is equal to 5 2x plus 1 whole square. 6x plus 2x is 8x plus 1 se answer the thop gome jumsen ani se to gala. This is the reason common take betang ani be ime way hogoi gala. How do we take common the ani simplify be take bego. So the 49.5 as no hagoi se wachin yes se suna ani hagoi se hes se suna rule de hagoi se wachin. Now nanalu simplify be ni denlu chelu gachi go. You should have how to the computational skills, how to simplify, how to multiply, how to take common algebraic expression this to ga ani ji ya yes se suna gar yes suna comment go be ya comment as go be yes se suna galo yes se suna yes yes suna gar yes suna yes suna yeah crystal clear okay yes suna okay yes suna okay. Then last topic the darigidi, so we will take about 10 minutes. It's question rule to bola question rule. I want everyone to tap and share. Tap bena gari tap bena. It's just 49.9 jamchi I want everyone to make this 100k. So let us take 5 minutes break mola achi benala 2 minutes break did you take benala 141. Let's do maths. 141 times 100 be the gamchi top. What is 141 or what is 145 times 100? I scored 69 in class 12 in 2013. Yes la 69 in class 12 in 2013. Good. Not bad. Yeah, garagi tap tap 100 zona garagi. Yes, definitely composite function will come after the rules for all this differentiation gi. Rules of differentiation gi. Okay. Everybody 14,500 14,100 better 14,500 ome de. You see tame 149 do so times 100 better gamchi ome tap 100 na ro gadim ome na bagi 14,900. So you see the 100 is such a base home within 1 minute nora 1 minute ra me gome 51 tagime ya please help me mabanam sme seu di metap me daro mola na wo gom the da onda sei na wo gom the ba chin nga do me yes finally question rule na juni to bola question rule na juni and question rule jam tong to in to kala question rule So 51.8, can you teach variation polynomials and polynomials with tiles for class 9? Yo, class 9 this week no scheduled. No schedule for class 9 this week. I'm really sorry, nobody booked. Yes, I'll upload just to do with formula for question rule 2. Yeah, one formula and maybe a question, and a formula GT and maybe a question. And then I'll upload this one tomorrow YouTube nalu tugala. Yes la. The tangent law normal to the tangent law simultaneously it will come after this. So don't worry, okay, now let us go to the question rule. Question rule. So and then keep watching my YouTube videos. Please help me reach 4,000 watch hour. Then after that it will be very swift and labels also hip me. You have to fulfill different labels in law, but I just have to break this one this time. So the question rule is sixth rule, the question rule. Question rule question rule. Question rule na if I have y equal to u over v, again you have to know that u and v are functions in x. When I say u and v are functions in x, anzumlula v tamede functions in x pedoba x me mosla 2x plus 1 there functions in x pedoba anzum chilula mose u and v. So where u and v are functions in x, u and v are functions in x, functions in x. So what will be your dy over dx? Dy over dx will be equal to denominator square beni. Then you take your denominator. Then you differentiate d by dx of u beni. Then minus take bego. Then you take u dy dx of v bego. So this is the question rule. Question rule of differentiation is denominator square, take denominator, differentiate the numerator, all the time minus, question rule nalu, and then you have numerator, differentiate the denominator. So let us do one example. Example G big example G. Example G rule teach. So if I have y equal to x square minus 5 divided by 2x plus 1, you see we have numerator and denominator which are functions in x. Functions in x. So what will be my dy over dx? It will be equal to denominator square. So you're going to get 2x plus 1 whole square. Take the denominator 2x plus 1. Differentiate your numerator which is x square minus 5. Much numerator. Minus. Then take your numerator x square minus 5 and dy dx of differentiate your denominator which is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Very simple, which is equal to Gajthop. Now 2x plus 1 will come as it is. And you just have to differentiate this one. What is the derivative of x square? Derivative of x square gamchima da chingi she badimo 2 di dong then x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1. And what is the derivative of constant? Is 0. So sumengo minus ani minus and I have x square minus 5. What is the derivative of 2 di debra? What is the derivative of x? It's 1. What is the derivative of 1? Is 0. So 0 dimma divided by I have 2x plus 1 whole square. Now simplify benito wala. So I have 2x analu. Then I have 2x plus 1 minus 2 times 1 is 2 and I have x square minus 5 whole divided by I'll get 2x plus 1 whole square. So wala. Which is equal to now multiply 2 times 2x is 4x square plus 2x times 1 is 2x. Then minus 2 times x square is minus 2x square. Minus 2 times minus 5 is plus 10 divided by 2x plus 1 whole square. Now what is 4x square minus 2x square is 2x square plus I have 2x plus I have 10. So 4x square minus 2x square is 2x square. I have 2x here and 10 whole divided by 2x plus 1 whole square. So this is your derivative dy over dx using question rule. So division ki form na ye bachin question rule apply bena se to wala division ki form na ye bach gache apply bene lo Question rule apply beni. Question rule apply beni. To bola question rule apply beni se shuni.